Hello everyone, welcome back to the knowledge sharing series using Raspberry Pi, nodered and IoT. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to make LED on and off using the GPIO of Raspberry Pi. Before we design the flow in the nodered, we should know the GPIO pin numbers for the Raspberry Pi. For Raspberry Pi 3 and Raspberry Pi 4, we are having the 40 pins, and the whole diagram of GPIO pin is shown in the screen. Here, for this experiment, we are going to use the pin number 39 and 40, 39 and 40. Friends, take one LED and connect the positive and negative terminal of the LED as shown in the screen with pin number 39 and pin number 40. Ground and positive voltages on the GPIO of Raspberry Pi. So to perform this experiment, we need 3 nodes. 2 as an inject node, or we can say the input node, and 1 as an output node. But friends, here we are working with the Raspberry Pi GPIO. So please take the GPIO as an output node. Fine. Now let's make one of the input node as an switch to make the LED on. So the very first parameter to set that value is the number. When we are talking about the digital communication or digital electronics, then 0 and 1 is the only value which represents the high voltage and low voltage. So when I say I want to make this input node as an on button, then I must pass the value 1. But make sure at the same time here from drop down menu you can select the number. After that, don't give anything in the topic. Skip this 2 part, that is the inject once after this many seconds and the repeat, but give the name, let's say on, and click done. So the instead of timestamp it becomes an on, and it is sending in value 1 as and when you click on this button. Same way you make this particular inject node as an off button. So when I say the off, I need to pass the value 0, and here I am typing as an off. Now after this I am connecting these 2 nodes, that is the inject node and GPIO output node, right? In the GPIO node, as we have selected, it is a GPIO out node. You can see here it is showing me the GPIO pins that we have seen just before few seconds. I am connecting my LED with this GPIO number, that is the 40 pin number 40 and GPIO 21. As well, I am considering this as a digital output. Remember this, I need to keep it as a digital output. Okay, now you can say LED on off. It is again a name which is used to represent this particular node. Now I hope if you have connected properly on that particular pin, the LED will on and off. But before that, you must click on the deploy. If everything is okay, your nodes are correct in terms of configuration, then you will see such kind of message. Now when you click on this on button, you can see this input button is available. Click on the message pass and you will get a notification that successfully injected on. Same way on the LED on off button, that is the GPIO node, you can see here it is showing that input is 1, and if the LED is properly connected, you must connect the LED with the positive and negative element or the terminal on the GPIO properly. And when you click on this off, it is sending 0. So here it is showing that the 0 is available or 0 has been inserted. So friends, this is just giving you an idea that how you can easily communicate with the GPIO using nodered. Here I would like to remind you that 40 is the physical pin number of Raspberry Pi, while the GPIO number of that 40 pin is GPIO 21. I hope you learn how to make LED on and off using nodered on Raspberry Pi. It is a first step to interact with the GPIO of Raspberry Pi. Friends, subscribe the channel to get the regular updates on the knowledge sharing series. Thank you.